Welcome to Big Progress Channel. Hello everyone. I'm so happy you are here today. If you always feel confused when someone asks you, "How's the weather today?" Don't worry, you are not alone. Many English beginners feel nervous, feel stuck, or say only one word like hot, cold, and then silence. Very awkward silence.
Yes, that was me. Always silence. Super long silence. Almost 5 hours of silence.
Exactly. So today we will fix this. Don't worry, we will learn slowly, clearly, and step by step. You will learn easy words, easy sentences, and real conversation. By the end, you can talk about weather like a pro, or at least like a friendly human being.
Wow, that sounds good already. But Hana, I have a question.
Yes?
Why do people always talk about weather? Every country, everywhere, weather, weather, weather.
Good question. Weather is the easiest topic for small talk. You don't need deep thinking. You don't need big vocabulary. Just simple words. And it makes people feel comfortable.
Okay, good. I like no deep thinking. My brain is small today.
Your brain is perfect for today's lesson because we will learn super simple English weather and you will enjoy it. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
First, we learn basic weather words. Very easy, very useful. Listen and repeat with us. Ready?
Ready, teacher boss.
Number 1, sunny. It means the sun is out. Bright, warm.
Sunny.
Good. Example, it is sunny today.
It is sunny today.
Number 2, cloudy. When many clouds are in the sky.
Cloudy.
Example, it is cloudy today.
It is cloudy today.
Number 3, rainy.
Rainy.
Good. Example, it is rainy today.
It is rainy today. But, Hana, I don't like rainy days. Rain makes me sleepy.
Same. Rain is like a natural sleep mode button.
Yes, my brain goes shut down.
Number 4, windy. Wind everywhere.
Windy.
Example, it is windy today.
It is windy today.
Number 5, snowy.
Snowy. But Vietnam? No snow.
True, but maybe one day. Climate is crazy now.
Maybe snow in Saigon. I will take selfie.
Number 6, hot.
Hot. Too hot.
Yes, very simple. Example, it is hot today.
It is hot today. Actually, every day.
Number 7, cold.
Cold. I like cold weather. My brain works better.
Then you must move to the North Pole.
Maybe too cold. My brain will freeze.
Now, let's make small talk. Very simple. How's the weather today?
It is sunny today.
Good. Try another. How's the weather today?
It is cloudy today.
Amazing. Big progress.
Hey, that's the name of our channel.
Yes, and you are doing big progress right now. Now some extra words. Still simple. Warm, not hot, not cold. Cool, a little cold, but nice. Stormy, big rain, big wind, maybe thunder. Foggy, white air, cannot see clearly. Humid, wet air, sticky skin, very uncomfortable.
Oh, yes. Humid. Vietnam's best friend.
Example sentences. It is warm today. It is cool this morning. It is stormy outside. It is foggy today. It is very humid.
My favorite is cool weather. My body says thank you.
Mine too. My hair looks good in cool weather.
Yes, humid weather gives me bad hair day.
Now, idioms. Weather idioms are fun and easy. Ready?
Ready? My brain is warm. Not hot, not cold.
Example. I feel under the weather today.
Under the weather. Okay, so not under the table.
No, not under the table, but maybe after you drink too much coffee.
Haha, yes.
Example. It's raining cats and dogs outside.
Why cats? Why dogs? Why not chickens? Why not fish?
English is mysterious.
Like when you forget your wife's birthday?
Yes, big storm.
Huge storm.
Example. I'm on cloud 9 today.
I am on cloud 9 when I finish my homework.
Good. Now let's practice a real conversation. Simple English, slow, friendly. Repeat after us if you want.
Okay, I will be the weatherman today.
Great. Let's start. Hey, Lamb. How's the weather today?
It is sunny today. Very bright.
Nice. Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, but sometimes it's too hot. My face melts like ice cream.
Same. I need 3 fans and 2 ice drinks.
So, Hana, how's the weather tomorrow?
I think it will be cloudy tomorrow.
Cloudy. That's okay. Good weather for relaxing.
Yes, cloudy weather is nice and calm.
Hana, what weather do you like the most?
I like cool weather. Not hot, not cold, just right.
Goldilocks weather.
Exactly. What about you?
I like rainy days. I can stay home, drink tea, and watch movies.
And study English, right?
Yes, of course. Study English first, movies second.
Let's practice again. Super simple. Is it hot today?
Yes, it is very hot.
Is it cold today?
No, it is cool.
Do you like windy weather?
A little, but too windy is scary.
Good. Perfect answers. Now a small quiz. Very easy.
I'm scared already.
Don't worry. Question 1. If the sky is full of clouds, is it sunny or cloudy?
Cloudy. Easy.
Great. Question 2. If rain is very heavy, we say,
Raining cats and dogs.
perfect. Now you are on cloud 9.
Yes, I'm very happy now.
Okay, let's do a quick review before we continue to the next part. Today we learned sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, cool, stormy, foggy, humid, and idioms. Under the weather, raining cats and dogs, a storm is brewing, on cloud 9.
Wow, that's a lot. but the way we learned, very easy.
Yes, and in the next part, we will practice more real conversation, longer sentences, and a fun weather story.
A weather story with drama?
Maybe even a storm.
Oh no, I'm scared but excited.
Good. Now let's continue to the next part.
Yes, let's go to the next part. Okay, Hana, I'm ready now. My brain is awake. My English is warm. Not hot, not cold, just warm.
Perfect temperature for learning. So let's continue. In this part, we will practice longer conversation, easy sentences, and a little weather story. It's fun, simple, and very good for beginners.
A weather story? Yes, I want drama. I want action. I want clouds.
You will get clouds, maybe storms too.
Wow, I'm excited.
First, let's practice real-life questions. These are questions native speakers use every day, and they are super easy.
Super, like Superman.
Yes, but without the cape.
Okay, let's go.
Question 1. What's the weather like today?
Answer, it's sunny today. Or, it's cloudy today. Or, it's raining today.
Perfect. Very simple. Question 2. Is it going to rain? Will it rain?
Answer, yes, I think it will. Or, no, I don't think so.
Excellent. Question 3. Do you like this weather?
Answer, yes, I do. Or, no, not really.
Good. Very natural. Question 4. What season do you like?
Answer, I like summer. I like winter. I like cool weather.
Perfect. Very beginner friendly. Okay, let's try a small conversation. What's the weather like today?
It is cloudy today.
Do you like cloudy weather?
Yes, I do. It feels calm.
Do you think it will rain later?
Maybe. The sky looks dark.
Nice. Very natural small talk. Now, let's talk about feelings. How you feel about weather.
I feel sleepy when it rains.
Exactly like that. Very natural. Let's learn some easy expressions. I feel good today. I feel tired today. I feel cold today. I feel hot today. I feel sleepy because it's rainy. I feel great because it's sunny.
I feel amazing when it's cool. My body says thank you.
And your brain says, big progress.
Yes, my brain loves big progress.
Okay, now let's do a longer conversation. Still easy English, just more sentences.
Okay, my English battery is at 90%. Ready.
Hey, Lamb, what's your favorite type of weather?
I like cool weather. It feels fresh. I can walk outside and feel good.
Nice. I like cool weather too. Cool weather makes me want to drink hot chocolate.
Oh, yes, hot chocolate is the best. But Hannah, do you like rainy days?
A little. Rainy days are relaxing.
For me, rainy days are dangerous
Dangerous? Why?
because I stay home. And when I stay home, I eat too much.
Haha, yes, rain makes everyone hungry.
I eat snacks. I eat noodles. I eat everything.
That is your weather problem.
Yes, big problem.
How about hot weather?
Oh, No. Hot weather is my enemy. I feel tired, I feel slow, my brain melts.
Same. Hot weather is difficult.
Do you like snow?
Yes, but only one day. After one day, I say, okay, enough.
I want snow only for selfie.
Yes, snow equals 90% photo, 10% enjoyment.
True.
Now, let's do the weather story. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go. I love stories.
One morning, Lamb wakes up and looks out the window.
I see the sun. It is sunny, very bright. I say, nice! Today is a perfect day.
Lamb takes a shower, eats breakfast, and goes outside.
I walk for 2 minutes. Then, suddenly, clouds appear.
Yes, big clouds, dark clouds.
I look up and say, oh no, what is happening?
After 1 minute, the wind becomes strong.
Very strong. My hair flies everywhere. My hair becomes modern art.
And then rain starts.
Not normal rain, heavy rain, very heavy. I shout, it's raining cats and dogs.
Lamb runs to find a place to hide.
I hide under a small roof, but the rain becomes stronger. The wind becomes louder. The sky becomes darker.
A storm is coming.
A big storm. I feel scared.
But then, after 10 minutes, the rain stops.
Suddenly, the sky becomes blue again.
Sunshine appears.
Birds start singing.
And Lamb says,
Wow, what a crazy weather day.
the end.
That story is basically my real life.
Now, repeat after us. Easy sentences. It is sunny today.
It is sunny today.
It might rain later.
It might rain later.
I like cool weather.
I like cool weather.
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs.
I feel good today.
I feel good today.
The weather is crazy.
The weather is crazy.
Nice. Perfect practice. Okay, let's do a final review. Today we practiced weather vocabulary, weather expressions, idioms, real conversation, feelings, long dialogue, a simple weather story, listen and repeat practice.
Yes, this lesson is long, but easy, very friendly for beginners, and fun.
And your English improved a lot today.
Thank you, Hana, and thank you everyone listening.
Before we finish, if you enjoyed this podcast and want more simple English lessons like this, please subscribe to the Big Progress channel. Click the like button, leave a comment, and tell us, what's the weather like in your city today?
Yes, we want to read your comments. It's fun to see weather from everywhere.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You made big progress.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, stay happy, and stay on Cloud 9.